Welcome to Matuto Dapat YouTube channel, where math and Bible lessons were discussed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, write the comments, and share. And don't forget to push the bell button for notification. Okay, our next topic for differential equation is the exact differential equation. Okay, tingnan po natin ano po pagkaiba nito with the other methods. Okay, one kind of first order differential equation, F O D E, is an exact differential equation which has the formula m a function of m x comma y dx plus n function x comma y dy in equal to 0. An exact differential equation's general solution is f of the function x comma y equals c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Okay, so exactness testing. The partial derivative of m and n must satisfy the condition for a differential equation to be considered exact. And the equation is exact if this condition is met. So we have the partial derivative of n with m with respect to y is equal to the partial derivative of n with respect to x. Okay, so kapag itong dalawang ito, okay, these conditions ay ibig sabihin, naging equal tong partial differentiation na to, is ibig sabihin, the equation, the differential equation is exact. Now, the solution is the partial derivative of f with respect to x equals m, no, the function m, and the partial derivative of f with respect to y is a function, n function, or the function of n, x comma y, where f is the solution to an exact DE. Okay? So, example 1, solve the differential equation 4x cubed minus y minus 6x dx plus the quantity x to the fourth plus 4y dy equals 0. Given, ang m natin, so, ang kasama ng m ay the dx, ang kasama ng n ay the dy. So, ang atin pong m ay 4x cubed y minus 6x. Ang ating n naman ay x to the fourth plus 4y dy. So, you have now is our, ang ating n is x to the fourth plus 4y. Okay, we have to test for exactness. So, the partial derivative of m with respect to y, and that is the derivative of 4x cubed y minus 6x, while the partial derivative of n with respect to x, that is x to the fourth plus 4y. Now, since this is a partial derivative, now, if we have to differentiate a variable, okay, this m with respect to y, so ibig sabihin yung hindi kasama sa y is considered constant. Other variable na hindi kasama sa y is considered constant. Okay? So, 4x cubed y, the derivative of 4x cubed y with respect to y, so ibig sabihin ang ating 4x cubed ay constant. Okay? Kaya ito po ang lumabas, 4x cubed times the derivative ng y, which is 1, minus 6x, derivative ng 6x with respect to y. Since 6x is constant, so the derivative ay 0. Okay? Ganon din dito sa kabila, all derivative of n with respect to x. So lahat ng variable dito na hindi kasama kay x is considered constant, o hindi x, no? Pag hindi x, considered constant. So derivative ng x to the fourth, and that is 4x cubed, derivative ng 4y, since 4y now is a constant, therefore the derivative is 0. Okay? So nakita natin na the partial derivative of y, the partial derivative of m with respect to y and the partial derivative of n with respect to x is equal, therefore the DE is exact. Okay? So exact po siya. But this is not yet the solution. This is just to test for exactness. Tinitingnan lang natin kung exact DE ba yung ating differential equation. Now we have to solve now the DE. Okay, so ang solution ay the partial derivative of f with respect to x. Okay, so we have start with m. So, ang m natin ay 4x cubed y minus 6x. So, cross multiply. So, ang atin pong dx ay nandito na sa kabila, no? So, sunod ay i-integrate natin. So, the integral of df is equal to the integral of 4x cubed y dx minus 6 times the integral of dx. Now, lahat ng variable na hindi x ay considered constant din in this kind, no? So we have the integral of df is f equals 4y, since 4 and y is constant, times the integral of x to the cube, and that is x to the fourth over 4, minus 6 times the integral of x dx ay x squared divided by 2 plus q of y. Okay, now we have, instead na c, okay, we are using now q of y here, no? So, itong q of y, it could be a constant or it could be a function of y. Okay? So, lagay lang muna natin dyan kasi that is not yet our final solution or final answer in this equation. Okay? Titingnan po natin yung other side, which is the n naman. Okay? Now, kapag i-rearrange, pag i-simplify natin, and that is x to the fourth y, kasi yung 4 makancel, tapos minus ang 6 over 2 ay makancel, so that is minus 3x squared plus q of y, no? We have to solve for n naman, no? So we have df equals x to the fourth plus 4y dy. Again, we have to integrate. So integral of df equals integral of x to the fourth dy plus 4 times the integral of y dy, and that is f equals x to the fourth y plus 4 times y squared, kasi integral ng y dy ay y squared over 2 plus r of x. So ibig sabihin is r of x again is it's either a constant or a function of x. Okay? So we have now f is equal to x to the fourth y plus 2y squared plus r of x. Okay? Now, i-equal po natin yung dalawa doon sa n at yung ngayon sa n. So, doon sa m, titingnan mo natin sa m. So, the two functions now, so we have now equal natin. This is, doon ito po yung sa m at ito yung sa n, no? So, x to the fourth y minus 3x squared plus x of y equals x to the fourth y plus 2y squared plus rx. Okay. So, ito, kita po natin na ito ay magkaparehas. Okay, cancel natin itong magkaparehas. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating q of y, lahat ng y functions na nandito sa kabilang side, ayun po yung ating q of y. So, q of y equals 2y squared, kasi 2y squared na lang natira dito. Ang atin namang r of x, ito yung functions ng x nandito sa kabila, no? So, negative 3x squared. Okay? So, ang r of x natin ay negative 3x squared. So, yun po yung value ng q of y at ng r of x. So, therefore, the solution is, okay, kung gagamitin natin itong isa, itong f equals x to the fourth y minus 3x squared plus q of y, substitute natin yung ating q of y here, which is 2y squared. So, that is x to the fourth minus 3x squared plus 2y squared equals c. Yung f ay convert natin into c, kasi yun naman ang ating, di ba pag mag-integrate tayo, ang integral ng a variable, no? So, sunod na lang, it could be a constant, so f is equal to c. Okay? So, tingnan naman natin tong isa. Okay, kapag sa n naman tayo, ang f equals x to the fourth plus y plus 2y squared plus r of x. So, ang r of x natin ay negative 3x squared. So, parehas lang sila, no? Again, ang f natin, i-convert na natin sa c, and that is our final solution. So, it's either isa na lang dito, no? Kasi ang final answer naman talaga ay ito lang or ito. So, parehas lang naman yun sila, no? Example number 2, solve the differential equation xy squared plus y minus x dx plus the quantity x squared y plus x dy equals 0. So, ang m natin ay x squared y xy squared plus y minus x. Ang n natin ay x squared y plus x. Okay, we have to test for exactness. Ang atin pong partial derivative of m with respect to y. So we have now xy squared plus y minus x. Ang partial derivative of n with respect to x is x squared y plus x, no? So therefore, kapag i-derivative natin to, ang m natin, that will become 2xy plus 1 minus 0. The derivative of xy squared ay 2xy. Okay, derivative ng y is 1 with respect to ito. Then, ganun din dito. So, the derivative of x squared y with respect to x, so you have 2xy. Tapos, the derivative of x is 1. So, the derivative of m with respect to y is equal to the partial derivative of n with respect to x. Therefore, the DE is exact. Okay, we have now to our solution here. The derivative of f with respect to x is equal to m. So, unahin muna natin yung m, where m is x y squared plus y minus x. Okay, so cross multiply natin. So, we have now df equals xy squared plus y minus x dx. Then, we have to integrate. So, integral ng df is equal to the integral of xy squared dx plus y integral of y dx minus the integral of x dy. Okay, so f natin is equal to since with respect to dx to, so we have now y squared is constant, and the integral of x dx is x squared over 2 plus integral of dx ay x times y minus integral ng x dx is x squared over 2 plus q of y, or the function of y. No, it could be a constant or a function of y. Okay, para naman sa n. Okay, you have the partial derivative of f with respect to y, and that is x squared y plus x. So, cross multiply, so we have now the derivative of f equals x squared y plus x times dy. Integrate natin. So, integral ng df is equal to the integral of x squared y dy plus the integral of x dy. Okay? So, integral nito ay x squared, tapos integral ng y dy ay y squared over 2 plus x times the integral ng dy is y. So, plus rx or the function of x. Okay? So, equate natin parehas. So, ang ating y squared x squared over 2 ay kapareha dito sa kabila. X squared y squared over 2, cancel natin. Tapos, ang xy natin, makancel natin. Okay? So, ang q of y natin sa kabila, since wala ng functions ng y dito, kaya q of y ay 0. Dito naman sa kabila, ang r of x natin, so mayroon pa tayong negative x squared over 2. So, ito yung function ng x. No? So, our solution now is, kapag gamitin natin itong ganitong equation, we have to substitute q of y as 0. So, our final answer is x squared y squared plus 2xy minus x squared equals c. We are multiplying 2 both sides, no? Kaya itong 2f magiging c. Okay? Kung doon man tayo sa kabilang equation, ito namang mayroong rx. So, tingnan natin. So, magiging x squared y squared over 2 plus xy minus x squared over 2, and that is equal c. So, we come up the same answer, no? X squared y squared plus 2xy minus x squared equal c. Okay? So, ganun po ang pag-compute natin at pag-solve natin ng exact DE. Yeah, you have your activity to answer. Okay, solve the following differential equation. Number 1, 3x, quantity 3x squared minus 4y squared dx minus 3, the quantity 3y squared plus 8xy dy equals 0. Tapos, you have 2x y minus 3y dx plus x squared minus 3x dy. Okay? Number 4, 2xy minus 6x squared dx minus the quantity y minus x squared dy. Okay? Tapos number 4, 3 minus 2xy plus y squared dx minus x squared minus 2xy times dy equals 0. Okay, I hope you learned from these video lessons and don't forget to like and subscribe from this YouTube channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Keep learning.